our rich heritage of Goa, our rich heritage of the country, where we are showcasing vintage and classic cars. What does it show? It shows you what was our rich heritage, what was our rich reservoir of cars that were existing at that point of time. Even after so many years, they are roadworthy, they come the road.
Transform your home with Urban Concept Interiors. Visit us for a wide range of stylish and customizable furniture. We offer office chairs, modular kitchens, garden furniture, curtains, carpets, mats, sofas, dining sets, beds, and much more. Both indoor and outdoor furniture available. Our address is St. Joaquin Road, Borda, Margav, Goa, or call us at 9958733688 or 9845513777.
How does it happen? Anyone having passion for anything, any miracle you can make it to work. The miracle of getting these cars on the road and making them roadworthy, making an awesome show. Today we are in the 4th year. We started with only 30 cars thanks to the Vintage and Classic Club President Gautam Kakode, Babu Kenny and all his other trustees. They are so passionate about it. Now it has grown. Now it has become almost a world-class event, and I think it is going to be even a bigger one next year. We had to say no to so many entries. We accepted only around 120. So many of them came and then they requested, no, we want to display our cars. We could not register them because there is a procedure. So next year I think the numbers will be more than 200. And see the response of the people, tremendous response. So it shows that Goa, which is a tourism state, where you have footfall of people coming from all over the world, all over the country, manifest and should manifest in shows like this. Discussed it in yesterday's cabinet. I have discussed with the tourism minister. Next year it will be on the tourism calendar of Goa as one of the events happening, and this is truly a world-class event.
It's a nice place to have a vintage and car display over here, and quite a number of vehicles. There are about 150 vehicles that have participated this time, right from the year 1900s onwards. It is a pleasure to see all these vehicles, especially the ones that I've noticed of Mr. Vivek Goenka, the Packard, and the one which is the Bentley. They are extraordinary, and the one belonging to Dempos over here, the Cadillac. Mine is a Peugeot 403, belonging to my dad and uncle. That bought it in it is a 1960 model, bought in January 1961. I can say that I was almost born in this vehicle. Yeah. And from young age, I had a liking for this car, and somehow it is with our family for the last almost 64 years.
कळटा की ह्यो गाडयो रिस्टोर करपाक इज नॉट एन इजी जॉब. इट इज अ पेनफूल, टायम कन्ज्युमींग एंड पेशन्स ओरिएंटेड जॉब. बट आय एप्रिशिएट जे ओनर्स आहा ते आपलो टायम काडून, पेशन्स काडून ह्यो गाडयो रिस्टोर करता आनी फुडल्या जनरेशनाक दाखयता की फ्रॉम वेर वी हॅव स्टार्टेड एंड फ्रॉम वेर वी आर गोईंग अहेड. कित्याक आयज मॉडर्नायजेशन जायत आहा, डिजिटलायजेशन जायत आहा, टॅक्नॉलॉजी इम्प्रूव जायत आहा, पूण दॅट इज कम वाया ऑल दीस मॉडल्स. म्हणजे जेणी कोणी स्टार्ट केल्ले पळय that upgradation करून आता फुडें जायत आहा. सो this organization of bringing all these vintage car owners together at one place is really appreciable, and people should watch it and understand the mechanism and engineering out of it, so that in the coming time we'll have better engineering technocrats to have better technology, and in the time to go ahead to have environment pollution free conditions.
Namaskaram yatat, but I thank these people who are organizing it, and special thanks to our honorable minister, Panchayat minister, so through transport department he is supporting them, and personal care pasun to घेऊन तांका each and every thing he is being meticulously planned. And I think so Panchayat minister Mohan Goenka sir also should be in a big way congratulated for giving this chance to Murgaonkars to have this such a big array of cars म्हणटा तशी आनी आमकां पळोवपाक खातीर.
More than 3 to 4 years passed. Now this vintage car display आता in Joggers Park. First of all, thanks the minister Mohan Goenka sir. त्याच्या खातीर तरी आमकां ह्यो गाडयो आमी ते टीव्हीच्या पिक्चरान पळयताले पोन्ने पिक्चरांनी ते आयज आमकां खरें लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटा. त्याच्या खातीर खऱ्या मना काळजानसून मोवीन सर देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी स्पेशली थँक्स टू आमचो बाबू कामत. तो एवरी इयर वास्कोन पयलींसून रावतालो पण आतां सद्याक बिझनस खातीर ही हॅड शिफ्टेड टू पॅनजीम आनी ही स्टील वेन एवर दीस टायप ऑफ थिंग्स कम्स टू वास्को तो आमकां मेसेज करता पळय विंटेज काराचें हें आसा एक्झिबिशन आसा यू कम देर. सो बरें दिसलें आनी वातावरणूय बरें आसा. सच अ ब्युटिफूल जॉगर्स पार्क हियर इन चिकालीम. सो थँक्स टू मोविन सर अँड थँक्स टू द विंटेज कार people who
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.